Welcome to Python tutorial, lesson 13. Today we learn about Lambda functions. Lambda creates small, anonymous functions in one line. Lambda creates a function without a name. It takes arguments and returns a single expression. Lambda is useful for short, simple operations. Let us create lambda_basics.py. Square takes x and returns x squared. Multiply takes two arguments and returns their product. A regular function uses def and return. The Lambda version does the same in one line. We store 3 lambdas in a list. Each operation transforms the number 5. Let us review the code with bat. Now let us run the code. Square returned 25 and 64 for 5 and 8. Regular and Lambda both returned 30. The list applied add 10 times 2 and squared to 5. Map applies a lambda to every item in a list. Filter keeps items where lambda returns true. Sorted uses a lambda as the key for ordering. Let us create lambda_builtins.py. Map squares each number in the list. Filter keeps scores 60 and above. Sorted ignores case by using lower. We sort people tuples by the second value, age. Map increases prices by 10%. Filter keeps only prices above $6. Let us review the code with bat. Now let us run the code. Map squared each number from 1 to 25. Filter kept scores 60 and above as passing. Sorted ordered the students by lowercase name. Let us build a grade processor with Lambda. Map calculates averages. Filter finds honors. Sorted ranks students from highest to lowest. Let us create grade_processor.py. We define 5 students with their scores. Map creates a new list with averages added. We print each student with their average. Filter keeps students with averages 80 or above. Sorted ranks students by average, highest first. We find the top scorer and their best score. Let us review the code with BAT. Now let us run the grade processor. Alice averaged 86.2 and Charlie topped at 95.5. 3 honors students had averages above 80. Charlie ranked first, Diana last at 58.8. Let us recap Lambda functions. Lambda creates small inline functions. Map, filter, and sorted work great with Lambda. Use Lambda for short tasks, def for complex logic. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more Python tutorials. In the next lesson, we will explore list comprehensions.